Hi guys, I hope you're doing well and staying warm in this snowy weather. I want to talk to you a little bit about group work and a little bit about wikis. So I want to explain why I'm doing the group work and to thank you for your patience. It's new to me and it's new to you. It's just that I've found through student feedback that students are really lacking a connection with each other. And sometimes you might make friends in a class and then have someone to rely on. In a perfect world, right? We would understand things the first time around and everyone would be on the same page, getting the work done at the same time. But, I don't have to tell you that we don't live in a perfect world. And when you go out into the workforce and with other teachers, I promise you, you will run into the same things. So I want to just talk about logistics. So group one, you can see that you have all of these. So you have collaborate, you can exchange a file, you can have a blog together. We do a lot of discussion board work. You might have journals, but for this week's work, it's the group wiki. So you click on this and here's the thing, Blackboard sometimes just like there are anomalies and things don't work. So if that happens, please reach out to me and I will try my best to mitigate that. So, when you are going through this, I'm sorry, I need to make this like tinier here. Basically what's going to happen is that in an email I sent to you, and honestly, if you go back and you look at a list of group one, let's say that you go to send email, you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm the 5th user. I've done genre, okay? So you should be doing the other sections in coordinates with that. And I sent an email, and if you don't have it or didn't get it, then just let me know. But it goes by your number, okay? So what I wanted you to do was to be able to open up this document, and it's the literature circle, and I obviously have another one up, but I wanted you to go through and do what's asked. So what you're doing is inquiry-based learning. You're finding out the information on your own. You're using your own background experiences to develop this, and you're sharing it so that there's a little bit less work. So each person is doing this, and then we're coming back and you're editing the wiki. So group one, you guys are killing it. We're waiting for the character clarifier. But other than that, you should be able to copy and paste this puppy, like this information, right? When you want to edit, you just click Edit Wiki, and you go in and you copy and paste your information. And then you can copy and paste this, right? And then you can put it into the graphic organizer that's in your work. I think that is it. And I want to, again, thank you for your patience, and I will try to put up more videos, my apologies, that show you this process. But hopefully let's stick with the group work a little bit and see what we can do with it. I do believe sincerely, I've done some research too on digital learning. I do believe that there is value in this. Do I think it's perfect? No. But as future teachers, I really want you to see the caveats of group work, the things that could go really well and work out, right? Group one, like they're getting things done. Maybe in some other groups, maybe not everybody is done yet, things like that. But I do think it's a valuable learning module for students, and for future teachers. I think it's kind of cool for you to see the caveats of what works and what doesn't work. And I really appreciate your patience. This is the first time I've tried group work, and it's always a work in progress. So hang in there. I'll try to make more videos, and if you need anything at all, don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks for your hard work, guys.